Hello, fourth graders! Welcome to your very first self-paced math lesson. Woo! I hope you are ready. Um, just a few cleanup things here. I want you to know that this is a something that I am allowing you to do, but it's a privilege. So it's something that can be taken away, remember. So I expect you to use this correctly, and I know you will because you guys are the best. I know you are. So today, if you need to pause because I'm talking too fast or you need to just catch up, please pause. If you need to rewind and listen again, please do that. And you every day will need your math book and a sharp pencil with you or just a pencil. So make sure right now you have your math book and your pencil ready to go. If not, pause this video, go grab it, come back, and let's get rolling. So today we are using place value to round. Using place value to round just means we're going to make the numbers easier to work with. That's all we're doing. And we have this cool little guy over here, so everyone just put your cowboy hat on today, saddle up, get ready. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. Okay, pretend that you are just cowboying up today. Here we go. For now, I'm going to just do the work so you can see what we're doing. And then in a minute here, we're all going to get together you'll get on your book and I'll be on the computer. That way we can do some together. So the biggest thing in all of fourth grade actually is to read your directions. It is such a silly mistake if we don't read the directions and we just do it wrong. So I'm going to read my directions. You read along with me. Round the numbers below to the nearest 100,000. This is the important one right here, 100,000. And then it says circle the correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to look at the first one. If I forget where the 100,000s place is, I can always just kind of count. And I'm going to give you a heads up right now. I record these videos at home. So if you hear craziness such as my cat Blink or Brinley crying or something, please just disregard it. So anyway, here we go. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay, so I need to circle my spot. And you can't really see it, so I'm going to underline my spot actually. Okay, next thing I need to do is I just look to the right. Everything we do in math is left to right. I look to the right. Let's look at our little cowboy guy over here. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. Think in your head, is 9 5 or up or 4 or less? 9 is bigger than 5, so I'm going to have to round her up. So I'm going to round my 2 up because that is the place we're looking at. 2 of 3, I just go to the next number up. Now here's the easy part. I look at all of these numbers to the right and I just get to fill in zeros for them. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. My answer is 300,000. Easy enough. Let's look at the next one. We're still looking at the 100,000 spot. The digit 6 is in my 100,000 spot. I look to the right. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. 1 is less than 4, so I know that I get to let it rest. My 6 gets to take a rest. It gets to take a nap. So we're going to leave our 6 alone, let him be. Fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. There's my answer. All we're doing is making it easier to read. It's a whole lot easier to work with numbers like this than it is to work with numbers like this. We're going to look at our third problem. 100,000s place. We have a 7 there. I mark my spot. I look to the right. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. 2 is less than 4, so I get to let my 7 rest. And I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Just like the value, just add the zeros. Remember our song. Next, 809,900. I'm going to mark my spot. in your worksheet today, I expect you to always mark the spot that you are rounding to. I do not care if you circle it, underline it, highlight it. It needs to be marked. I need to see that you know what spot you're rounding to. If it is not marked, you're going to have to go back and redo it. So just mark it the first time. Even if you're like, I already know this, just mark it. I look to my right because we always move to the right. 0, 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. 0 is definitely less than 4, so I get to let my 8 rest. Fill in the rest with zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Oops. 800,000. Last one. 188,632. We're still rounding to the nearest hundred thousands. I mark my spot because otherwise I have to redo it. And I look to the right. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. You're going to be hearing me say that in your dreams tonight. 8 is bigger than 5, so I have to round her up. I round my 1 up to a 2. Okay, easy part. Fill in the rest with zeros. I need 5 more zeros. And our answer is 200,000. All right, here's the part where you get to take out your books and work with me. So I expect you to be on page, I believe it's 37. Get there. If you're not there yet, just pause the video until you are there. Example 1. The largest extreme sports competition is called X Games. It is so popular that one year, 268,319 people attended. What is 268,390 rounded to the nearest 10,000? Good thing I'm reading my directions, otherwise I was going to round that baby to the hundreds. That sounds easier. Okay? This nifty thing right here has numbers on it and it's a line. It's a number line. Okay? We are going to be seeing these a lot this year, so make sure you know what it looks like. Our number line has a number 260,000 and a number 270,000. That is our range, like our word from reading. We are ranging between 260 and 270,000. Here's our halfway point. Look at our number 268,390. Is it closer to 270,000 or 260,000? I'd say it's closer to 270,000. So since 268,390 is closer to 270,000 than 260,000, 268,390 rounds to 270,000. Let's check if that's the same thing we would get. So I'm going to write my number over here, 268,390. We're rounding to the nearest 10,000s, so I'm going to mark my spot. Then I look to the right. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. 8 is bigger than 5. Anything to the left of my circle digit just stays the same. Okay, don't mess with that 2. That 2 did nothing. He just needs to stay there. Okay, but my 6 has to change because he's in the 10,000 spot. Since 8 is bigger than 5, I need to round up to a 7. Then I get to fill in everything to the right with zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 270,000, 270,000. Looking good. Here we go, next one. Oopsies, I did not mean to do that. We are on example 2 in your book. I expect you still following along. This is just going to go over all the steps I just showed you. A record was set when 569,069 people jumped up and down for 1 minute. How many people set this record? Round 569,069 to the nearest 100,000. So we're back to rounding to 100,000s again. Circle the digit in the place to be rounded. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So I'm circling my digit. Underline the digit to the right of the place being rounded. Okay? Just like I was drawing my arrow, they just underlined it. I have a 6 there, so start thinking. 5 or up, round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. We're going to be rounding or leaving it be. Let's see. Here we go. I'm going to use this little number down here because it's easier for me to function with. So 100,000s, look to the right. I know my poem. 6 is bigger than 5, so I need to round her up. I'm going to round my 5 up to a 6, and then I just fill everything else in with zeros. Replace all zeros after the circle digit. So about 600,000 people set this record. And we're going to check it using our number line. Here's our halfway point. Is it closer to 500,000 or 600,000? $569,069 is closer to 600,000 than 500,000. We are going to move into some problems on your own, and just like in class, I expect you to be respectful, responsible. Fourth graders, I know you are. And I'm going to do number 1 and show you what your expectation is, and I expect you to pause the video, do numbers 2 and 3, and click play when you have finished those so you can check your work. Here we go. This right here, it says round to the given place value position. So in our directions, they didn't give us something specific. But in each number, we have a specific place to round to, and they're all different. Number 1, round to the nearest thousands, okay? Easy enough. I'm going to find my spot. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, I'm going to circle my digit, mark my digit. Do not forget to circle, underline, or highlight. Look to the right. 5 or more, or round it up. 4 or less, let it rest. 2 is less than 4, so I get to let my 2 in the thousands place rest. Fill the rest in with zeros. I now want you to pause this video. I want you to do numbers 2 and 3 to the best of your ability. Remember, this is still practice. As soon as those 2 are finished, then go ahead and play the video again. Okay, now that you have those 2 done, you are going to check your work with me. Nearest 10,000s, I circled, I marked my 8, or my 7, sorry. If you did not mark your 7, please do so now. I look to the right, 5 are up, round it up. So my 8 tells me I need to round my 7 up because it's bigger than 5. And I just add in my zeros. Should have gotten 80,000. Number 3, 100,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. Look to the right. 5 are up, round it up. Well, 8 is bigger than 5, so I got to round up. 6, fill in my rest with zeros. All right, we are moving on to our assignment now. This is, I'm going to get into this page here for you really quick. Give me a minute. This is the worksheet, what your worksheet should look like. So your independent practice. You will do, and I only want you to do these ones. Don't have to do any more because I want you to have time on Zearn or extra math today. You are going to do odd numbers. Odd numbers, only the right side of your page. Only do the right side of your page for fourth graders. Do not do even numbers. Okay? Then you're going to flip it over. After you do the odd numbers on the front, you flip it over. And you're going to do numbers 18, number 20, and number 21. Circle those right now on your worksheet so you don't forget, even if you need to pause this. I will read those to you quickly. Number 18, what is the distance in miles traveled to the nearest 10,000? So they give you the distance in miles and kilometers. Make sure you're looking at the distance in miles to the nearest 10,000. I get to skip number 19. Number 20, the largest house made out of playing cards used 91,800 cards. To the nearest 1,000, how many cards were used? Okay, and number 21, Earth's deepest point is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. It is 35,840 feet below sea level. Is this about 36,000 feet below sea level? Explain. Yes, no, and why? I need to know why. When you're finished with this worksheet, it needs to get turned into the math bin. Then you may log on to Zearn or Extra Math, and you should work quietly until we are all done with math today. Thank you for being such awesome listeners. I can't wait to hear and see how well you did with all this, fourth graders. Have a wonderful day.